Well, good Thursday evening. We do have some storms to contend with as you're heading home to start your long weekend. Hopefully, you can see some nasty storms around Leon County, especially just south of Tallahassee, around Crawfordville, back into the Wakulla National Forest. We're seeing some strong thunderstorms. Severe thunderstorm warning just expired, and we did have an estimated wind gust of 60 miles per hour in Crawfordville, right about there, along 319 near the Winn-Dixie and McDonald. So certainly some strong wind gusts moving through that part of our viewing area. Also earlier and still going on, some storms around Valdosta, some trees fell on some homes. And then on Highway 321 in Madison County, we saw a couple trees down as well with the storm just below severe limits. But the big story lately has been the heat. It's been hot since Saturday with temperatures at least 95 degrees, including 99 degrees 3 out of the last 6 or 7 days, and that includes today. We just didn't quite hit the century mark officially any of these days, but that's in Tallahassee. Places like Valdosta certainly exceeded the 100-degree mark several occasions. But this is about to change over the next several days as drier air moves in. More about that in just a moment, but right now with those cooling thunderstorms, Mother Nature cooling us down into the low 80s here in the capital city and in Monticello. No such luck though in Carabel, Bainbridge, Quincy, with those northwesterly winds still coming down. The sea breeze advanced a little further inland today, and that prompted the showers and storms. And even last night, we had a pretty good round of showers and storms continuing until about 3 or 4 a.m. Now, the heat index shows that we have plenty of humidity in place, and it's felt like 105 to 110 today in many locations, still in parts of South Georgia this afternoon. But that's all about to change thanks to tropical storm, or rather Hurricane Arthur now, that's about to make landfall right there along the Carolina coast. We're getting a northwesterly flow, a steamy flow around it today in the past several days, but a cold front is just to the north, and we have drier air indicated by this darker shades. And believe it or not, yes, we're talking about a cold front in the summertime because it's going to knock down our humidity just a tad as we head into the next couple of days. In fact, here's the Futurecast heat index values. And basically, this is what it feels like when you factor in the humidity. Come tomorrow afternoon, we're going to see feels like temperatures in the low to mid 90s instead of 100 to 105. So actual air temperatures are still going to be quite high in the mid 90s, but it's not going to feel quite as oppressive. Overall, though, your 4th of July looks good as this drier air really moves into place. Perfect visibility for those fireworks on Friday night. It's going to be a fine evening on your Independence Day. Still hot though, relatively speaking, with highs in the mid 90s, but again, just more comfortable. Here's your forecast for tonight. We're going to see lows in the upper 60s and low 70s because of some of that drier air moving through. You'll notice a little bit of a change in the air mass tomorrow morning across North Florida and South Georgia. Highs tomorrow in the mid 90s, but again, that humidity is going to be just a tad lower. 7-day forecast shows that we do get a little bit wetter, but temperatures looks like the upper 90s are a thing of the past. Increased rain chances as we head toward early next week.